Morning all of you. Today we will do the question answers of the civics chapter. What is democracy? Why democracy? Okay, write down the first one. What was PRI? What was PRI? Written?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, what was legal framework order? What was legal framework order? What was legal framework order? Next, what does referendum mean? What does referendum? Referendum. What does referendum mean? Next, why modern democracies are representative democracies? Why modern democracies? Why modern democracies are representative democracies?
Ma'am, please repeat.
Why modern democracies are representative democracies? Why modern democracies are representative democracies? In which country women do not have the right to vote? In which country? In which country women do not have the right to vote? In which country women do not have the right to vote? Okay. Next. Now these five were short ones. Now the means they were very short ones. Now the short answer type questions. Give examples of the countries. Give examples of the countries which do not provide. Give examples of the countries which do not provide equal rights to vote. Give examples of the countries which do not provide equal rights to vote. Equal right to vote. Or the countries where there is a denial of equal voting rights. Now this you will get on page, obviously my page number would be different. I will tell you the number of the, it is 2.2. Under 2.2, turn the pages. You will get free and fair electoral competition. Turn the page again. One person, one vote, one value. Get that?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so here you have there are many instances of denial of equal right to vote. Then all these 3 points mentioned here: Saudi Arabia, Estonia, and Fiji. All these 3 points you have to write like this only. Understood?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next. giving an example of Mexico, giving an example of Mexico, comma, prove that although having a democratic system, prove that although having a democratic system, comma, they were not practicing democracy. They were not practicing democracy. Giving an example of Mexico, comma, prove that although having a democratic system, comma, they were not practicing democracy. They were not practicing democracy. Mexico, where you have marked this the last answer, just a page before that, under the heading free and fair electoral competition, the second paragraph under that. Since its independence in 1930, Mexico holds elections. Got that paragraph?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so mark that paragraph. That would be your answer to this particular question. And we have already done that merits and demerits of democracy, that you have done already as an assignment, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So that
Yes, ma'am.
also you need to learn and prepare the merits and demerits of democracy, and also the features
Okay, ma'am.
of democracy, all that also. Okay, next. Why is democracy considered the best form of government? Why is democracy considered the best form of government? Why is democracy considered the best form of government? Who will tell me where to find this answer? I have made you mark that also. While I was explaining the chapter, I have told you. Why is democracy considered the best form of government? I have told you this. Yes, who will tell me? No one here knows from where to find this answer. Yes? Come on, class. That means you all are not paying attention.
On page number 23.
Page number?
3. Sorry, ma'am, page number 33.
Yes. Read. Read from where you think the answer would be.
Ma'am, a democratic government is a better government because it is a more accountable form of government.
No. You will get this answer. Anyone else? I made you mark this also. It is after the merits of democracy. The last paragraph. Let us sum this up. Sum it up. Before the broader meaning of democracy, the page before the broader meanings of democracy, see the last paragraph on the previous page. Let us sum it up. Democracy cannot get us everything and is not the solution to all problems. Got that paragraph?
Yes, ma'am.
And see what is the last line of that paragraph? Someone read it.
That is why democracy
is considered the best form of government.
Got it? So this will be your answer. This whole paragraph. Democracy cannot get us everything, from there till the last line. This is the answer to the question why democracy is considered the best form of government. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. How democracy can enhance the dignity of the citizens, or how can democracy enhance? How can democracy enhance? How can democracy enhance the dignity of the citizens? How can democracy enhance the dignity of the citizens? Now all this also I have told you earlier. Yes, come on. Who will tell me? Just the page from where you have marked the last answer. Turn the page. Second column, last paragraph. Second column, last paragraph. And it starts with these three arguments of democracy. Got that paragraph? These three
Yes,
arguments.
ma'am.
From that particular paragraph, come to line 8th line. Even if democracy does not bring about better decisions and accountable government, it is still better than other forms of government because democracy enhances the dignity of the citizens. As we discussed above, democracy is based on the principle of. Got that?
Yes, ma'am.
Till the end of the paragraph, even when they make mistakes, they are responsible for their mistakes. Next, how can you say that Pakistan, was not exercising democracy? How can you say that Pakistan was not exercising democracy when General Musharraf was ruling? When General Musharraf was ruling, how can you say that Pakistan was not exercising democracy when General Musharraf was ruling? Okay, General Musharraf, where do you get this?
Ma'am, please repeat.
Yes. 2.2 Features of Democracy. Got it? Got that page?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And then you see major decisions by elected leaders. Under that, the first is the example from Pakistan.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So this normally you get for a long answer, 5-mark answer. So you will write the whole thing, the entire thing under this.
Ma'am, please repeat the answer.
Okay, someone tell me what page number is this in your book?
Ma'am, page 4.
Ma'am, page 4. Ma'am, page.
Ma'am, page 4.
Page 4. Okay. So page 4, second column, under the heading major decisions by elected leaders. Okay? Got it? Yes, under that,
Yes.
General Pervez Musharraf, he led a military coup. Alright? So, or you can start from ruling. Yes, you have to start from the beginning that because he did not have, this was not an democratically elected government. It was to a military take over takeover of the power by the military in 1999. Then he overthrew the democratically elected government there and declared himself to be the chief executive. Later on, he changed his designation, became the president, and then he held a referendum and it granted him a 5-year extension. Then you need to write that in August 2002 he issued a legal framework order. Tell about that, the whole thing till then till military officers and General Musharraf himself, till there. Okay. Then democracy is better than other forms of government. Write the next question. Democracy is better than other forms of government because it allows us to correct its own mistakes. Democracy is better than other forms of government because it allows us to correct its own mistakes. Put this in single quotes. Do you agree with it or not? Do you agree with it or not?
Ma'am, please repeat the question.
Democracy is better than other forms of government. Democracy is better than other forms of government because it allows us to correct its own mistakes. Because it allows us to correct its own mistakes. Put this into single quotes. Do you agree with it or not? You will get the answer on page number 12. See page number 12. First column, the first new paragraph. Finally, democracy is better than other forms of government. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright, so this paragraph, till this cannot happen in a non-democratic government. Page number 12.
I'm having an old book.
Old book, page number 34. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Alright. Then next question. How can we say that China is not a democratic country? How can we say that China is not a democratic country despite holding elections regularly after every 5 years for electing the country's parliament? How can we say that China is not a democratic country despite holding elections regularly after every 5 years for electing the country's parliament? This you will get on China. Page number 5, new book, page number 5 in the new book. Second column under the heading free and fair electoral competition, the first paragraph, that is about China. You will get the answer from here. And for those who have old books, page number 27. New book 5, old book 27. Next, what is the strength and weakness of democracy? What is the strength and weakness of democracy? Question mark, explain. What is the strength and weakness of democracy? Okay, now this you will get from page page 15 in your new book. Page 15 in your new book. The first column, fourth last line. What we do as citizens can make a difference to making a country more or less democratic. This is the strength and the weakness of democracy. The fate of the country depends not only on what the rulers do, but mainly on what we as citizens do. Then continue. This is what distinguishes democracy from other forms of government like monarchy, dictatorship or one party rule. They do not require all citizens to take part in politics. Then leave 1-2 lines, come down. But democracy depends on active political participation by all the citizens. Written?
Ma'am, can you please repeat the answer?
Page number 15 in the new book. Old book, page 37, first column, fourth last line. Start from there, move to the second column, mark the first paragraph, mark the second paragraph till 6th line, leave 2 lines, come down, mark again. But democracy depends on active political participation by all the citizens. Okay, then right.
Answer is starting from what we.
Yes. The answer is starting from what we do as citizens can make a difference. Next, what do you understand by the broader meaning of democracy? What do you understand by the broader meaning of democracy? Okay, so for this, the broader meaning of democracy. Page number 14 in the new book, 36 in the old book, first column. Under those 3 points, 3 blue squares, you have 3 points. Under that you have the paragraph. From that paragraph, from the third line, last word, a democratic decision involves consultation with and consent. Got that? Got that particular paragraph?
Ma'am, please repeat.
Page number 14 in the new book, 36 in the old book, first column. You have the 3 statements here. We are a very democratic family and all that. After that you have a paragraph, these ways of using the word democracy. Got that particular paragraph?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
In that paragraph, third line, last word, a democratic decision. Got that?
Yes, ma'am.
From there
Yes,
till
ma'am.
the
Yes,
end,
ma'am.
from there till the end of that paragraph, and from the next paragraph, the first 5 lines. Sometimes we use the word democracy not to describe any existing government, but to set up an ideal standard that all democracies must aim to become. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright, so mark that, and whatever you have been given as assignments, that those questions also you need to prepare and you need to learn. So for today we will stop here.